So here is the mobile cover that I have just received from Amazon. So let us see what kind of packaging you get for a mobile cover from Amazon. So here is the mobile cover. The mobile cover that I ordered is for Nokia 6.1, and as Nokia 6.1 is a 2-year-old mobile, it was very difficult for me to fetch this mobile cover nearby sellers. So as I did not get in the nearby shops, I had to pay rupees 200 extra. Means if I would have got this cover in local shops, it would have come for rupees 100, but it was not available, so I ordered it from Amazon. The benefit of ordering it from Amazon is like when you go to search in the shops nearby, you can only search your nearby area, but in Amazon it is searching all over India. So if any seller is having this mobile cover all over India, you can get to know about it on the Amazon, and accordingly you can order. But the only thing is you are paying 200 rupees extra. Means this cover must have come for rupees 100, but as I ordered it from Amazon, this came to me for rupees 300. So here is the Nokia 6.1 mobile Defender cover, and it looks very nice. Even the design on the inside is very good. The buttons over here are covered, and you can see how intelligently they have made this provision for clicking button. Means it won't be a hard press when you press the buttons. And the design on the side, just like design on the snake, this is very nice design, and it has a glossy finish on the exterior, and wherever there are it also has this rounded edges, so it can prevent the mobile from shocks or from a fall. They have given proper cutouts for the microphone, type C charging port, speaker, and my favorite 3.5 mm jack. So design overall is very good, and they also have this stand over here. Like this you can take it out. They have this stand over here. ऐसे रख दो मोबाइल को. The quality of the stand is like you have to handle little with care, but overall it is good. I have ordered a tempered glass from Amazon, and let us see what kind of packaging you have from Amazon. So it is a very good packaging. They have taken complete care of the tempered glass that it won't break during the shipping. Now let us quickly unbox this and see. Here I have just opened the box packaging, and inside this cartoon box you will see that they have also put a thermocol over the tempered glass so that it won't break during the shipping. And here you get the wet wipe and dry wipe. I will recommend never use this wet wipes with your phone over the phone, because this will wipe away the oleophobic coating that the manufacturer is putting over your phone. Oleophobic coating is good for your phone because it won't allow fingerprint marks or water to be there on your phone screen. So don't use this wet wipes. Instead I would recommend you can use a wet cloth first, a clean wet cloth. Wipe away the dirt or any oil वगैरह anything on the phone, and then you can use this dry wipes, this dry paper to wipe the screen, but never use this wet wipes. And even when you go to the shop for getting a new tempered glass over the phone, make sure that he does not spray anything on the phone screen, because what the spray that they use that has alcohol content or soap content, that will wipe away the oleophobic coating over your phone. So you can have some videos on the internet that will tell you about what is oleophobic coating and how good it is for your phone. So finally here we have the Nokia 6.1 tempered glass. 11D. Oh, this says 11D, 5D, 6D, 7D. I don't know what actually it is, but I just want the glass to be of good quality. Ah, so here it is, edge to edge 9H glass shield, tempered glass 11D, Nokia 6.1. This mobile I had ordered, but the thing is that if I could have got this tempered glass locally, I would have got this for rupees 100. But as I did not get it in the local shops, I ordered it from Amazon and had to pay rupees 64 extra. मतलब shop people were ready to give it for 150, but they did not have it at the moment. So total I had to spend rupees 214 rupees for this tempered glass, and the quality of this is very good. Now let us talk about the cuts on this. There is the glass for the over the camera lens and glass over the Nokia branding. For the earpiece and this infrared sensor or the proximity sensor, there is a cutout, and this properly. I will apply it on my phone and will see how it feels. But overall, it is a good packaging from Amazon, and there is a thermocol even on the bottom of the box. So overall, it is a very good packaging from Amazon. That's it for today's video, and please do share it with your friends who feel about who want to order this tempered glass from Amazon. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share my video with your friends, and also you can have a look at my other videos where I have unboxed and given a full in-depth review of Petron Buds Pro Boat AirDops 441 Pro. Those are both are true wireless earphones, Bluetooth earphones, and I have also made an unboxing of Samsung memory card 64 GB.